Hello ma'am, good morning. So today I'm going to discuss my activity 2, which is output of the shapes with numbers. So here, as you can see here ma'am, I have the div pattern, or the patterns, 6 of them, and each of them has function definitions. So for the pattern 1 ma'am, I have the print for the pattern 1, and then as for this one ma'am, it is the triangle up, and as it starts in single first digit in the up, as it goes then it will add more until to the 5. And for this lower part, it is the same as this on the upper, but in reverse. So as for the pattern 2 here, which is the, if you think of it, the pattern 2, it is just the same concept of pattern 1, but it is in the opposite side. For the pattern 3 ma'am, you will think I just copy this one for the pattern 1, and then on the bottom side I just kept on the bottom side I just copy this one for the pattern 2. So for the pattern 4, which is for this one ma'am, this is the result of the diamond with numbers, and as it starts from the top, uh, 1, as it descends down, and at the center of it, it will add +1, and on both sides it will add another number as it goes down until it meets its condition, which is the 5. So for the pattern 5 ma'am, I just manually put the numbers, which is the rows. If you as for this part, I make them as spaces. Excuse me. I use them as count for the spaces for like 1, 2, 3 at the start of the upper, which is this one, 1, and then the count, and this is the number. As for this one, is 2 spaces, but it has 3 count, the repeat of 2. So if you think of it, this is the spaces, and this is the multiplier, and this is the number that keeps repeating. For the pattern 6 ma'am, as you can see here, for this part, which is on the top side, it will result as the 2 times row, which is, if you print the 5, and then it becomes 10, and then it will -1, since it will repeated it 9 of the 5. As it goes down, it will keep minus the number, and then it becomes 4, and then 4 times 2, and then -1, it will become 7 as it goes on. And as for this part, it's just the same concept for the upper side, but in reverse. So here I have the display menu, and this made when I call the functions of the patterns, and this is the choices that I want to choose or make a decision. So if choice equals to 0, it will exit the program, and if I choose the 7, it will call all the functions, or call all the shapes into one. And this one is the choices, which I will choose 1 to 6, which is this one. And if I choose a more than 7, or that does not meet the condition or any letters, it will say invalid choice. So here I'm going to show you my 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 result of my output. So here, I'm going to show all the patterns. So thank you for watching. Have a good night, ma'am.